Okay, so the backyard is a little barren. It needs some color. It needs something. Jill weighed in. So here is all the stuff that I have to plant this weekend. All right, so all the pretty purple and pink go in the backyard. All the other stuff goes in the front yard. And Max and Jake will be here to help me. But the weather... Jakey Poo, what about the weather? Oh, the weather, I don't know if you can hear the thunder, the dark clouds. It's supposed to rain. So I'm thinking, maybe a little glass of wine will help. Come on, Poodle Doodles. What do you think? Should we plant some plants this weekend? I think we should. What's up? Can you hear the thunder? Can you hear it? Poodles! Poodle, poodle, poodles!